So, all right, so we're here. I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing right now. I got like losses in the live account, so I went ahead and implemented RSAI blueprint strategy. Um, what account? What is this on this paper trade one? Oh yeah, I'm trying to hit this to get this to 3 million. I started at 100,000. What year was it, man? Was it 2021? The end of 2021. Started at 100,000, and then so I'm trying to hit 3 million now on that. Done so many strategies in it, like so many different ones that I have to get to that point. Like I mixed it all up. I got everything, every strategy I've told you guys has been traded on that one to get that where it is. Um, I just kept going with it and just wanted to see how far I can take it. Neuros 8 DGT. I'm trying to think without the notification. Nope. Yeah, this one did really bad. Lost half. That one I left it on. The sentiment one I tried to reverse. I said this is a test. Did really bad. Totally trashed. I mean complete. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to do. This one's made 100,000 so far. Just use DGT strategy. So I'm down on these accounts. I'm here. I'm down here. So what I decided to do, I switched this. So I'm not looking at the money. Switched this. So I'm looking at the points, not the money. Okay. So psychological play. Put yourself in where it gives you the psycho. Put yourself in where you have the psychological advantage over your mistakes, like over your own weaknesses. So you're gonna have to kind of trick yourself. Um, all these are down, right? Doing different stuff. I just was very neurotic with my trading. So I said, you know what? I'll give you an example. I think I was on one of the videos I was talking about your AUD and I was shorting it. I had stopped the trade. Like I had stopped the trade. Um like at 30 pips. I switched. I said, "Oh, I'm going to do something else, right?" I should have left it in cuz look, I like grabbed 36 whatever and left. Even though I had already said that this is going to my target of 1.61097, right? Which was up here when I got in. Like I saw this harmonic slip and then got retested again. The neckline bounced off the neckline, and I got in, and then it bounced like went like this right up to this level, and I said, I'm switch to something else. Even though I told myself I was going to leave it in until here. Look, since I got out of it, it's gone another 307, 8, 6 pips to continue all the way down to 370. Well, I was going for 360 and I just like exit out of it. So this time I'm not doing that. So I'm leaving those kinds of trades, which RSAI strategy. I'm leaving those kinds of trades in on these because these are hammered. Look, 89,000. So like I'm losing money on that. This one's like at what 80, 90, 89, 89. Okay, hammered, hammered. When I didn't even trade RSI in this one. I did some other stuff. Hammered, right? Didn't even do sentiment. Hammered. 85. So decided to do RSAI blueprint strategy trades because there's nothing better than RSAI strategy when you have an account that is crushed. The only thing that's going to bring you back is going to be RSI blueprint strategy. If that doesn't bring you back, nothing will, right? So we're going for it. We'll see how it works out. I'm supposed to hold these. They have no SL. Notice there's no SL on it. I'm not saying I won't close it, but I don't want these to trigger at all. Like I don't want them to accidentally trigger because of a market close open or anything like that. So it's 4:30. That's my 4:30 closure positions alarm. Alarm. I mean closure pending trades. Where is it? Okay, turn off. So anyway, what was I about to say? So those are all right. Now I want you to see what some of the potentials and the targets. Okay, I want you to watch for the targets, even whether I'm in it or not. Like if I get out of it or whatever, I want you to see. This is the how do you say? This is the power of RSAI blueprint strategy. It actually gives you the target, the price of where this thing is going. You just have to be able to hold it that long, right? Um, target of oh 09. Oh, it's down here. 0937 093701. All right, that's the target for OGCAT. All right. Um, the next one, odd CHF. Okay, that target is up here. That's of 6803. Right. The next one, JPY, target of I have to click the board. Okay, that'll make me $11,000 profit. And that's talking 109.144. Right. Next one, CHF JPY, short target. Right. 172.405. All right. I think it may go through that one, but that's okay. Um, most of these are turnaround targets where it'll touch it and it'll turn around. Some of the closer ones are areas where I expect it to go through that target. But most of my 85, 90% of my targets, it touches it and it reverses. Okay. GVCHF, I'll make 29,000 at this point. I mean, it's going to be a long hold. And that's 1.21985. The other one, the sixth one, okay, that's going to be up here. I expect it to return to the previous high here. That'll make $5,500, and that's 86,158. You can grab these now. I mean, you can do all these together and then don't put an SL on it. Okay. 5,500. So that's 89.43. Um, just looking at it, I decided to switch this to pips because when I look at the money, I tend to respond differently. Okay. It makes me emotional. I don't want to be emotional. So I turn that off and just look at the pips because these numbers stay the same. The pips stay the same whether you're trading, you know, 10 cents or 10 million, right? So you don't look at the, I'm sorry, you don't look at the money. You look at the pips. And I wasn't doing that. So, but I'm doing it now. All right. So let's see. Oh, I want you to see my magic mushrooms. Yeah, magic mushrooms. I love those. So, um, let me go back to this one was the one where I did my most aggressive trading. I had two that were negative. So, but still, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So let's say 22. I think 68%. I figured it'd be 70%. 70% winning. 70 to 80. Well, 80, 78. I don't think higher than 78. Where I go on the RSI is like 77. But it doesn't have to be that. I mean, because look at my this trade is similar, I think. Hold up. Well, well, I wouldn't. I didn't put an SL on it, so I can't say what the RR is. But if I had an SL, if my usual SL of 33, that would be, which is kind of where I'm closing. If I see it go that somewhere around there, remember I said I don't want it to accidentally trigger. I want to see it, right? When I see 30 something, 36, I'm probably gonna close it, right? Something like that. I don't know. If I catch it. If I don't, like, then I don't want it to trigger, and then it goes back. It goes down to 27, and I'm like, I'm out of it. Like, I don't want that to happen. So I'd rather see it than to not see it, and then it triggers, and then So 1108, uh, it would be something like that, right? It's very high. Like, I mean, you just ask ChatGPT, right? I said, hey, if my RR is 7, win rate what do I need to be break even? I mean, if you have a 7, you're just 12.5% right at the time to break even. So the bar for the RSAI strategy is so low. I mean, I could be 33% winning and still win. This is how I got to really this point. Okay, because the bar is so low, because my ratio, my RR is so high, I keep my SL small. I just do, and I give my re-entry rule is you can enter one more time, and that's it, right? That has been the winning rule. Okay, so let me get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll post this up now. Peace.